Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video is another unboxing of my hold on, give me some time. It's already open. I don't know, I filmed it like I started from the last end. Okay, so unboxing of my November Boxycharm. Guys, if you don't know what Boxycharm is, and especially if you're from US or Canada, a Boxycharm is a monthly box subscription wherein you have to pay a certain amount and you will receive 4 to 5 full sizes. Sometimes it becomes 6, but like if it's set, so that's considered as 1. But if you're gonna count it like by piece, sometimes it's 6 pieces, so it's really worth it. And if you want to subscribe, I'm gonna be leaving the link of Boxycharm on my description box so that it's easy for you to access their website. Anyway, let's get started and start showing to you what are the things that I received. Okay, so this is the box right here. I don't know why I'm so effort filming and unboxing mostly Boxycharm. I've been slacking on my channel, but I've never failed doing the unboxing. I don't know, because it's really easy. Okay, so let's just jump right in. So the first item we've got right here is, oh, here we go. So this one right here, this is not counted as an item, but they've sent a sample size. I don't know why they're sending this. So I would say I am more into olive and driftwood than bamboo, because bamboo is too dark for me. It's not my skin tone. So maybe this is like, yeah, advertisement or advertising purposes. So okay, let's just proceed. This is in no particular order. So this one's right here, I've already taken out from its container. So this is their pouch right here, cute pouch, and these brushes are made exclusively for Boxycharm. So we've got the small one and a big one. I would say that the small one is good too, good for contour, and the big one is like bronzing as well as blush on. So these two sets of brushes retails for $35. So I'm not sure if you could purchase this outside, like in some retail stores like Ulta or Sephora, but I think this is just exclusively for charmers. I don't know. Next, the next thing we've got right here is this one. So I like it when they also give us the packaging. So this is Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector Highlighter. I don't know, my camera is not participating. So this is a highlighter, and it's a really like, I like their packaging, especially the mirror right here. It's so flat and it looks so perfect and clean. I'm not gonna be swatching it, because you know what? Because I've got a lot of makeups already. I'm happy and so grateful that they are growing, but because I've got a lot already, so sometimes I'm thinking if I'm thinking of not swatching them, because I could use it to like give it as a gift. So that shimmer there retails for $38, and it says here it's an ultra buttery texture. So I like it when it is buttery, so it doesn't look powdery on the face. And let me see, I forgot. So let's see if this is a gold shade. Oh, this is really pretty. It's a gold. I like it when my highlighter is gold. So perfect. So the next thing we've got right here is this is by Dominique Cosmetics, and this is called Celestial Thunder. You've got 8 shades, am I correct? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 5 matte shadows and 3 shimmer shadows. So this one right here is, I would say this is really worth it. This retails for $35, and look at the pan, like for one shade. It's really wide. I don't know how deep it is, but it's really wide. So it's a big eyeshadow for just $35, and the color selections are really pretty. I really like it. So that's it. That's the second to the last, no, third to the last item. Now let's proceed. We still have 2 items remaining here. So this one is still in the box, and it's by the brand Juice Beauty Organic Solutions. So oh, this is really pretty. So this is a stem cellular anti-wrinkle eye treatment. Honestly, I'm not that excited receiving a skincare, but when it comes to like anti-wrinkle, especially for eye treatment, it really excites me. So it's so weird that I don't get excited, but there are certain products, skincare products, that really excites me, and this is one of those. So I can't name it. I will only know once I receive the item. So yeah, this one right here, I'm sure I'm gonna be reaching for this, and this bad boy right here is pretty expensive. These retails for $50. That's it. And last but not the least is these 2 right here. We've got the morning eye mask and the night eye mask. So these 2 right here retails for $12. So I got a lot of masks. Some of them I gave them away because too many skincare already. So yes, those are the things that I received in this month's box. So I'm gonna compute and let you know the overall value of the box, and I'll be right back. Okay, so the overall value of the entire box is 170. I remember they only reached to before, like previous boxes, they've only reached to up to 140 or 135. So they better be worth it because they keep increasing their price. So now the question is, which of the items do you like and you like less? How to say it? Like you don't like and you like. How about that? So first thing is, I'm gonna say that these tools right here, I'm so grateful receiving products or brushes from Boxycharm, but these kinds of brushes are the brushes that I'm not seeing myself reaching for it. I still prefer the normal kind of brush, but I know this one is really good when it comes to contouring, but this big one right here, I don't know. So I'm not seeing myself reaching for this one right here. But the rest of the items aside from these 2 are fantastic, especially this one right here, the palette. It's really pretty. Can you see that? It is indeed pretty. The shades are really pretty, and I'm seeing myself reaching for this, especially, let's just say, if I don't have a lot of makeup or palettes, I'm seeing myself reaching for this. And also this Becca highlighter right here, it's great receiving a popular product in our box. Salute. And then this one right here, it's like a treasure because I'm more into like anti-wrinkle or taking good care of my skin. I'm so weird. I am not so happy receiving a lot of skincare, but there are certain skincare that excites me, and this is one of those skincare that would excite me, like anti-wrinkle and eye treatment. So also I am treating this part right here. I'm not wearing any foundation right now, and can you see an eye bag there? If you see a little, then yeah, that's just because if you see a little bit but not heavy like eye bags, it's because I am taking care of it, like I'm treating it. So yeah, I'm more into taking good care and maintaining this part right here, and especially this one right here. So seeing myself reaching for this Juice Beauty Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Eye Treatment. So overall, I would say the box, I would rate it into 10 over 10. They're really like to the highest level. They're not, because some of the, like, if you're in a subscription box, sometimes they are like the service is getting bad, and But there are times that there are one time that I really did hate their service, but overall I would say it's really worth it subscribing. So if you are deciding to subscribe to their to Boxycharm, you could scroll my description box below and I would leave a link that would um, lead you straight to their website, and yeah, subscribe to Boxycharm. And that's it, guys. If you like this video, then please don't forget to click the like button, and if you're not subscribed yet, then please do subscribe for more videos in the future. So yes, guys, thanks for watching and see you on my next post. I love you. Bye.